This is what our UI looks like, a simple UI so that anyone can access it. No need to know any details of the app. So there's you can see there's a total income section there in the financial dashboard, and the total expenses and the net balance, which was with the expense deducted from the income. All right. So here is the categorization and all the list of the income and expenses you are doing. So if you want to add an income, just click on add an income, then enter the amount. Suppose I want to enter 5,000, and what is the category, freelance, investment, whatever the category is suitable, you can add it. And the date section, there's a calendar there, and so you can add to the respective date. So here is I'm selecting, and if I click on add income, as you can see, income is added on 5,000 and the total income is 1,500 and net balance is like this. Okay, so if I want to add an expense, so here is the add expense section. You have to click on that, so the prompt will appear like that. And if you want to enter amount, suppose I am entering an amount 500 for food, and date I am selecting like 21%. So add expense, click on, and you can see the expense is right there of 21 date. You can see it is in ascending order. The latest expenses or the income will add on the top of the list. So as you can see, the category food and the amount is also deducted. So you can see the total expense amount gets added by 500 and the net balance is also changes. So if you want to add more expenses, you can add more expenses. Suppose I am spending 1,000 rupees on shopping. So here we go, is the various categories. So I am just clicking on shopping and the date, for example 17. So add expenses, and you can see shopping 1,000, 17th of April, whatever the date is. So here is the working condition of this app, and we can analyze all the category there this week. So you can see 48% is pie chart is there, or expense distribution of the week and respective of all time and last week, whatever, last month, this week, whatever. Okay, so there's the expense, and we can see the graph of income versus expenses at this section. Last 12 month, last 6 months, you can do so. So this is a money tracker app, a simple UI, the best you can get, and with this help you can just categorize your expenses and complete your any. If you want to delete a transaction, you just click on the delete section, and you want to select a transaction. Suppose I want to delete this expense, so I click on this transaction and just click on delete, and yes, so you can see all the things are get reflected into the income or whatever the balance is. So this is my money tracker.
Hi, my name is Akshay Singh and I am a UI developer of this app. For this interface, I wanted to feel like something you would actually want to open every day. So I designed a clean minimal UI using Flutter's material design components. The dashboard shows your current balance and transaction list. A plus button lets you quickly add income or expenses. Pie chart helps users visualize their spending by category. And it's all designed to be responsive and smooth across all devices. Simplicity was the key. You don't need a finance degree to use the app. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Utkarsh and I worked on the database and data management side of the project. For a backend, we use AWS Cloud, which gave us real-time syncing, scalability, and a NoSQL structure that fits perfectly with our app's needs. Each user has their own collection of transactions, and each record stores details like amount, type like income or expense, category note, and timestamps. I also set up Firebase security rules to make sure users only access their own data, keeping everything secure and private. The beauty of this setup is that as soon as someone adds a transaction, it shows up instantly in the app, no refresh needed. It's seamless and smooth, just like your finances should be.
Hi, I'm Divyansh and I'm the backend developer of this project. My main focus was integrating the logic and backend service using Python and Firebase. Developed core functions to add, delete, and update transactions. We use Python software for easy approach and maximum stability of the project. The code is safely stored in a GitHub link, connected the front end with Firestore and using real-time listeners. Handle data validations and routing to ensure everything works smoothly. The transactions are stored securely under each user. Real-time updates keep the app synced instantly. This setup allows changes to reflect instantly, no reloads, no delay.